We're being chased by an angry guy!
Looking at girl, I can help you with that. She like when I be rocking how I'm wearing my hat. This that song.
What is up, viewers of the Hob Life? Here we are, living the dream. About 20 minutes out from the spot we're going today. We are going to a crazy backwoods, like illegal pit bike spot that Justin's been putting in the work on. It's holy shit, my bike's completely sideways back there. That ain't right. That's a little gnarly. But yeah, Justin's been putting in the work in this like random like secret spot in the middle of nowhere. You gotta ride from his house like 15 minutes through like neighborhoods and stuff they're claiming, kind of like urban riding, and then you just like appear into the middle of like the woods somewhere, and he has it fully dug out, crazy trails, track going around, little freestyle jump they took back there. So I've been trying to get out here for a couple weeks, but things haven't been lining up, and we're finally headed out there now. So should be an epic time, and yeah, my bike, hopefully it makes it. It's a little sideways. A little cockeyed back there, you can't really see because the toolbox, but the butt end is like sideways.
Heavy metal long sleeve made in 1988.
Oh my gosh, my bike, dude, I'm trying to film this guy. And now my bike's sideways. Look at him rolling, dude, with his freaking monkey bars, bro. 8 bars. He's going ape shit. Dude, I'm pulling up on the boys now. Look at that guy. He don't even need a ramp to undo his bike. He's a freaking guy. You guys got to see how my bike is back here. It's insane, insane, insane. Dude, I almost lost her. Look how sideways it got.
It's just a pit bike.
What's the claim?
What's up?
Living it.
Dude, Hunter's already back there. Making me look bad.
At the track?
Yeah.
How's he back there already?
Yeah, he knows. I've had him back here enough that he knows how to get back there.
What's up, boss? How are you?
Ready for another day.
All right, boys, here we go. Getting ready. This guy's taking me to the death trap. I've seen clips of this. I've seen clips of here, and it ain't right.
Literally, I would spill.
Yeah, but your pit bike's dialed now.
Justin coming through with the fuel hookup, so you know we're living the dream today. Sponsor rider. I thought he was gonna fill it, but it didn't work.
Factory.
Oh shit. Oh fuck. Yeah, no. Wasting all Justin's fuel.
Just dump it all in my driveway.
Don't worry.
So we just came through this path right here and then showed up into the woods over here. These jumps are just lurking. Full like BMX line or something comes in from there. They jump there to there. Then there's this thing. Huge thing.
See, that's the difference. Like,
then there's another one here. The boys are already working. They want to just stack dirt.
No, we don't have to destroy nothing at the bar because I want to go back.
Those are nicer shovels than I got at my job. This is looking sick though, dude, that line. So what is it, 1, 2, there's pretty much like 3?
No, you go to there, but you can go further back. You can double.
That's definitely Jeff.
Go over and then another double in the back.
Couple doubles with a lot of poison ivy. My ankles are already worried.
I was like boner aired and to the side, and then I decided to bail too late.
Dude, the dirt back here is insane.
It's so, why do you think it's so, you're able to build anything and everything?
Water right back.
Why is there no rocks in it?
I don't know. I don't know if it's because of the canal, right? Like, once you get down, like over by the freestyle ramp where we were digging,
Once you get down to a certain point, you start hitting like river rock. But even still, it's still nice digging.
This thing's huge, bro.
Yeah, there's your tire mark.
That's insane. And then what does it do? You're just gonna end the line down there?
No, this is what that dude did. I have no fucking idea. Yeah, that's why I'm saying like there's a line that goes to the left that's overgrown. You can't see.
Yeah, but this is a sick line. Everybody I hang out with likes digging more than they like riding, though.
Right? It's satisfying.
You think?
I think so. Half the times I come back here to dig, I don't even bring my bike. I either walk back or I'll ride my little bicycle.
Not clean, but that was scary.
Told you had it.
Hell yeah.
That's sketchy. I gotta get it real now.
You did get it real. What do you mean?
You came up a little short.
You did better than I did my first time.
Holy shit.
Holy shit! That was a good save though. Oh, there's a tick on my hand. I do not like that.
Holy shit.
Oh, my bike! My bike!
It's not even possible that those guys make that look so smooth.
Is that another one?
Dude,
You fucker.
that's so savage. Tick? So much ticks and so much poison ivy out here, guys, it's fucked up.
It's deadly out here.
Yeah, really. And then mix that with the jumps. Dude, look at this fucking jump. He's claiming this is the easiest jump here.
It is. It's just very deceiving looking.
Like a 40-foot gap.
Honestly, God, I think it's like 30, which is pretty big. but it really isn't that bad because you're carrying so much momentum. You're damn near have to let off.
Every gap back here, it starts at 15, 25, 35.
Ain't no party like a trailer park party, cause the trailer park party don't stop.
He cased that.
He's gonna need a lawyer, right?
just a slight lawyer. So smooth.
What's he claiming, flip time?
And then probably do that one and then this one. Yeah, sounds good to me.
Which one are you gonna flip first?
This one.
This one. The big one, get that out of the way.
Is this a vlog and a vlog?
This is a vlog
Are you
inception.
vlogging you? I'm vlogging you?
Inception vlog. If you're seeing this footage now, you can also go to No Limits Films and watch the other angle of how he's feeling in his mind when he edits it. This guy's getting the ramp styled for good old backflip. You think
Fucking nut.
He's got it. 100%.
Got it.
he's got it?
Nut.
After he does it, are you going for it?
Fuck no. Fuck out of here. No way.
Fuck no, right? Those guys are still down there vlogging. I don't know why. Why even vlog when I'm vlogging? If you're ever thinking about backflipping, this is how you set up the ramp. He's a professional ramp builder for backflips. Just gotta tap it in a little. The more you tap it with the shovel, the easier it is to flip.
Tap it.
Tap it, tap it, tap it. Vlog inception.
Oh man, I don't know. I thought like that one's definitely gonna be easier. I just fucking this one. I don't know, yeah, this one.
Clean! Clean! Dial! The dial! Are you feeling like a scallywag with your legs?
Yeah, feeling good. Feeling loose.
It's feeling really loose. So you're gonna go for 2 now, you think?
Yeah.
Fucking mad man. Are you evil? Modern day evil? Knievel?
I'm wearing a cross necklace, what do you mean?
I like that. Dude.
It's gonna be so hard.
No way! Legend!
Oh my.
Total legend.
We're live.
Red button, boys. We're live. I'm ready for this. Gonna do what the boys told me to do. Just hit it.
It's nice and soft. It's damn near a foam pit. That was clean.
You think?
Yeah.
So that one just feels weird.
Yeah.
Like a little bumpy.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh!
That was money.
Oh my gosh.
Oh. Nice little knot.
Oh. That's a fucking juicer. And I pass out when I see blood.
Put your pants back down.
Oh. The best part about it is I can't feel that leg at all.
He's not kidding, he actually can't.
Yeah, that's the bad one.
I retired now. Today. Because I ain't gonna move. Oh, Lord Jesus, why, may God. I felt it kind of. That shin fucking hates me, boys. The fucking shin, dude. This guy's backflipping, and I'm fucking not jumping at all. I don't get it. This guy's life's fucked up. Damn. Damn, dude. Update. Boys are still packing dirt. They're turning this situation, that was the jump that was here, now they're turning this into something real, making the lander. They love freaking playing with the dirt.
Inspectors.
You guys are inspecting? What's it looking like?
Pretty good. Not bad. Doing a pretty good job.
First hits, boys, first hits. Oh!
That was a little nose heavy.
Yeah, real nose heavy. Oh! Test runs for the flip. Jump, jump, jump. But now he wants to go jump, flip. Oh.
We're good.
You good?
Yeah.
Dude, that's savage.
Trying. It's fucking huge.
This one's for all the marbles?
This one's it. This one's it. Feeling it.
Oh, that was sick, though.
Damn, I just totally fucked the ending of that video too.
How'd that one feel?
Honestly, my hand like stuffed it a little bit, but it was there.
It was there.
The pool
It was
and
there.
everything was perfect.
You see that shot? You see
Yeah.
that fucking shot?
I just filmed you watching it.
Come on.
We're being chased, boys! plates on there? Yeah, right here. Dude, that was so crazy. We just got chased around by some crazy guy because Justin goes, the guy goes, do you guys have plates on those? And Justin goes, yeah, right here. And Flick, dude, that was insane. Trying to film that and get away with you guys was insane.
Dude, he was getting so mad. I've never seen anyone get that mad.
That was fucking crazy, dude.
That was nuts. Oh, well, that's why I was like, turn around, turn around, turn around.
I didn't know what you guys were doing. I get it now.
I knew his ass wasn't fucking doing a million full turn.
That was insane.
Right now I gotta keep a ton of vision. I need me a little baby who gon' listen.